Hold on, imagine this. You're ordering food online. Simple, right? But what if the app keeps suggesting pineapple pizza, even though you hate it? Annoying, yes. Dangerous, not really. But this silly example shows how AI, when not trained properly, can mess up. Now imagine this happening with something important, like a self-driving car. See why AI safety matters? AI is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, guiding us through traffic, and even managing our homes. From your phone to your car, it's making decisions that affect us every day. These decisions can be as simple as suggesting a song, or as complex as navigating a car through busy streets. And like anything powerful, we gotta make sure it's used safely. Just like we have rules and regulations for driving or using electricity, AI needs guidelines to ensure it benefits us without causing harm. Think of it like a super smart puppy. It's cute and can be incredibly helpful, but without proper training, it can get into trouble. Adorable and helpful, but needs training. Just like a puppy needs to learn commands and understand boundaries, AI needs to be programmed with ethical guidelines and safety measures. Without it, that puppy might chew your furniture or run into traffic. Similarly, an unregulated AI could make decisions that are harmful or unintended. AI safety is like training that puppy, teaching AI to be a good boy or girl, making sure it follows the rules and doesn't cause trouble. It's about creating a balance where AI can assist us while ensuring it operates within safe and ethical boundaries. Now, we're not talking about robots taking over the world, at least not yet. But the reality is, AI is already deeply embedded in our daily lives. From the way we shop online to how we navigate our cities, AI is everywhere. But unchecked AI can cause real problems. Imagine your computer crashing because of a faulty update or your personal data being misused. These are not just minor inconveniences, they can have serious repercussions. Like, imagine an AI system for hiring, trained on old data. It might overlook qualified candidates simply because they don't fit an outdated profile. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's happening right now in some companies. It might unfairly reject people based on outdated biases. That's not cool, right? We need to ensure that AI systems are designed to be